Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Class 7th, boys and girls. Now today on 17th July 2020, we are going towards our topic cyclic hydrocarbons. It is a chapter in science, chemistry, and we know cyclic hydrocarbons. Yesterday we throw light on this topic, and once again we can say cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are arranged in the form of a ring. They may be saturated or unsaturated. The saturated hydrocarbons, cyclic hydrocarbons, are called cycloalkanes, while as unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons are known as alkenes or alkynes. Yesterday we discussed one of the cyclohydrocarbons, that is alkanes. Once again, cyclic hydrocarbons, cycloalkanes, are the cyclic hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon single bond. They may be cyclopropane C3H6, cyclobutane C4H8, cyclopentane C5H10, and cyclohexane C6H12. Now today we will discuss cycloalkenes. Actually, cycloalkenes are the unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons having at least one double bond. The unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons having one double bond between carbon atoms are known as cycloalkenes. For instance, cyclopropene C3H4. The structural formula of this cycloalkene is one carbon is linked with one carbon atom by single bond, and this carbon atom is linked with other carbon atom by single bond, and this carbon atom is linked with this carbon atom by single bond, and all the three carbon atoms are linked with hydrogen atom by single bond. This is the structural formula of cyclopropene C3H4, and it comes in the list of cycloalkenes. One more example, cyclobutene. It is C4H6. One carbon atom is linked with another carbon atom by single bond, and this carbon atom is linked with other carbon atom by single bond, and this carbon atom is linked with other carbon atom by single bond, and all the carbon atoms are linked with hydrogen atoms by single bonds. Two carbon atoms are linked with two hydrogen atoms like this by single bond. This carbon atom is linked with two carbon hydrogen atoms by single bonds, while as two carbon atoms are linked with one carbon atom each by single bonds. And this is the structural formula of cycloalkene, that is cyclobutene C4H6. So we can say cycloalkenes are the unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons having at least one double bond between carbon-carbon atoms. One more example of cyclic hydrocarbons which comes in the list of unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons, that is cycloalkynes. Cycloalkynes are the unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons having at least one triple bond between carbon-carbon atoms. The example for this is cyclobutadiene C4H4. There are four carbon atoms. Two carbon atoms are linked with one another by triple bonds, and two carbon atoms are linked with one another by single bonds. The carbon atoms having single bond between them are linked with two hydrogen atoms each by single bonds, while as the two carbon atoms having triple bonds between them is not linked with any hydrogen atom. This is the structural formula of cyclobutadiene. This comes under the category of cycloalkynes. And one more example, cyclopentane C5H6. Here we can see the structural formula of this. Two carbon atoms are linked with one another by triple bonds, and these two carbon atoms are linked with other two carbon atoms by single bonds, and other two carbon atoms are linked with one carbon atom by single bonds. All the three carbon atoms having single bonds between them are linked with two hydrogen atoms each by single bonds, while as the two carbon atoms having single and triple bonds between them is not linked with any atom. This is the example of cycloalkyne known as cyclopentane. This is sufficient for today, and later on we will discuss more. Thanks.